Hello, my name is Klaus and welcome to another Mazda 6 video. Roll the intro, let's go! We start here in the car because the problem is in the car. Right here. Here should be something, right? And it's not there because it's in the passenger seat. This came off, as you can see, the tab here, there, and there is something missing, isn't it? Luckily for me, if you look inside, there are two tabs. So what we're gonna do today is weld plastic tabs. So yeah, this is the problem, that these tabs broke. And once I came back to the car, these are just hanging like this. Randomly just hanging like, yeah, it's there. It's like, yeah, you see me? I'm hanging, hi. It works, just these tabs broke. So we're gonna plastic weld this, put it back where it should be. So let's do this. Welcome to the little workshop. Now we're gonna fish out what's in there. I do apologize about the light. I know it's not that great. I'm gonna unscrew this. I'm basically gonna disassemble. Here are two screws. Here are two screws. I'm gonna unscrew all of this to have access to the tabs here. This one's still there, so I have here access here. Because we need to put the mesh, this mesh, we need to cut the mesh and weld it with the plastic welder into the plastic, so it's actually holding, so there is some strength in it. Because remember, this is on top of the car, sitting like that. It has some vibrations and wiggles. If you just super glue this, it will never work. So basically we need to cut the mesh like that big, so it goes on the back of this like that. Basically it's attached, so it hooks in there. So that's what we need to do. So now I'm gonna do the same thing on this and this. Now it's the moment of the truth. Let's see. It's there, it won't fall out. Basically, this needs replacing. can't. You can't weld it back together. I tried, and as you can see, this is not what you want to see. Well, it is what it is.